three small mouths, still open wide, calling loudly, even though their bodies are hardly small anymore. And one adult crow patiently feeds a piece of food into each open mouth, leaving no one out. Welcome back to Wild Frame Nature. This is the crow, Corvus macrorhynchos, one of the most intelligent bird species on Earth. Known for recognizing faces, using tools, and living in socially complex flocks. Remarkably, crows care for their young for an unusually long time compared to most other birds. And today, we witness exactly that, right along the riverbank. Three young crows, already nearly full-grown, are still not fully independent. They huddle close together, flutter their wings, and call out repeatedly. An instinctive behavior, reminding their mother that they still need to be fed. Nearby, a dead fish has washed up on the shore. A rich source of protein, a valuable find. The mother crow pecks small pieces from the fish, then delivers them one by one to each chick, taking turns to feed all three equally. A behavior that reflects equal parental investment, maximizing the survival chances of the entire brood. This scene, seemingly simple, is in fact a precious glimpse into wildlife, where survival instinct, intelligence, and maternal care intertwine in one small moment by the river. If you enjoyed this heartwarming moment with the crow family, don't forget to like and subscribe to Wild Frame Nature to keep exploring more wild stories with us. See you in the next video.